Christmas in July means that we get to unbox some Christmas tiles. And here's a set I bought on Amazon. It's from a brand called Teyva Daily. I understand these are melamine tiles, maybe a little bit smaller than some. The description said they are 1.2 by 0.87. So it doesn't look like there's a tile information card. The last time I bought some from Amazon, I just made one. So here are the BAMs. Put my scissors back. The back is a nice red. It's going to look great with this mat. This is an older mat from Oh My Mahjong called Deck the Halls. I think it's from 2 years ago. So these are going to be the cracks. Yes. These are the dots. I like the cardinal and the one BAM bird. I'm just going to get my scissors back. These are the dots, Christmas candies, I'd say. So that means these will be the winds and dragons. Flowers and the rest of the jokers. They are taped up tight. Okay, here are the winds. These are, I don't know what these are. These are soaps, flowers, jokers. Ah, dragons. Look, if you look carefully, red bow means this is a red dragon. Green bow, this is a green dragon. Hubs' favorite part. Let's crack them open. So these tiles are 2-layer, pretty nice thickness, a nice size. I've actually seen them labeled as travel size. I don't think they're travel size. Love the sound of Mahjong tiles clacking together. These are melamine. They have a nice feel. They make a nice sound. They actually say that the word Mahjong is Chinese for the twittering of the sparrows. These Amazon tiles didn't come with either a tile information sheet or a tile storage bag. So I've made one and ordered this darling bag from Amazon. You can find the link for both of them on my website.